Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel from my sofa. I just had lunch and been on the gym this morning. So today I'm going to trim the house up for Christmas. So going to put my tree up, slightly different from what I have done in the previous years. So this year I thought, oh, let's do something a bit different. I fancy something a bit different. So I kind of changed the colors around the decor in the house. So keep watching, guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay, so that's my big boy. It is a 7 feet snowy Nordic spruce tree. It's quite thick, and then I've got a base, a wicker base, which I'm going to put it up in just a second. Now, as you guys can see, my wicker base is not big enough to fit on the stand there. So what I put a tea towel on the base so the floor don't get scratched. Put the it's like a white fur white tree skirt, and then I put the wicker basket on top. Now once the tree is up, you really won't see it. So if I move out the way, so this is what it's going to look like, but you won't see that space there once the tree will be up. Ta-da! So the tree is up. It looks silly now. But if I move out the way, I'm going to fluff it so you can see the difference. Okay, so after it's been fluffed, typical technical term to fluff, that's what it looks like. It looks small on camera, but it's actually huge. This is what I can't stand, because I've got here brushes already, so I'm going to clean it as I go. Okay, now it's time to put the light on. Okay, lights are on. These aren't new, I bought it this year. These are, they like a little berries. Where is the packaging? I got it from Habitat. It's the white berry string lights, because I want like a Nordic look this year. I have some LED lights, but they're warm white and they don't, the color yellowy color, and I want the lights to be completely white. But I got another pair that will go around the wreath and the garlands on my fireplace. Okay, I have parked the tree just for a minute and I'm concentrating on my fireplace. So I always use 2 garlands. So this one here, the first, it's got lots of berries and pine cones, but as you can see, guys, it's not very bushy. So I got this from John Lewis, but I am using another like plain garland if you wish, and this is from, I really genuinely can't remember, so I put them all 2 together, the 2 garlands up together. Then I have added the lights. It's still not as bushy as I like, and especially in this area here, so I'm going to add my last and 3rd garland, which has got quite a lot of berries in there. Okay, so I'm not sure what you guys are going to see because there is sunlight directly on here. So on my windowsills I've got another garland. Generally no idea where this come from. I guess it's from a garden centre. Again, it's not thick enough and also it's not long enough there. Okay, so I'm going to use another plain one combined together, and I'm going to put some lights on here as well. Okay, so we got our main features all done. So got garland here, Christmas tree. Excuse me, it's the dust, not the dust, this little snowy thing. And that's TV, and then the garland here as well. I have to put the plant back because otherwise Jamie's going to kill me. So what am I going to do? I got a bag full of pine cones. I'm going to add them more in there on the tree and there, and then with some flour. I use flour, but you can use talc if you want. I'm just gonna dust some white in here because otherwise the two garlands won't match the tree that is totally white, because those lights here are quite warm. You see the difference between the cold white and the warm white. Okay, here when it gets interesting. So if you guys watch my decorating with me videos, I do this every single year. You notice that in the last couple of years, my Christmas trees has always been gold, red gold, and quite a lot of colors. This year, I'm going with red and silver. That is it. Okay, so I got a box full of silver decoration, 3 boxes quite thick, full of red and gold, and I got a tall box here full of silver and green, because the tree that I have in my hallway is always been white and green, silver. So I got to sort these out. Now every year we buy, let me put on the floor. Okay, so it's on the floor. So every year we buy something different. So this year I have bought these 3 decorations. Now this year, I don't know if you noticed, in every year there is a different trend. So this year the trend is candy cane, gigantic lollipops, gigantic bubbles. There is this trend, if you notice, like on wrapping paper, on scrapbook paper, there is a lot of candy canes, sweet things. So this year is all about that. So I bought those 3, and Jamie bought this beautiful bubble here from a garden centre. The problem in this house is we have very expensive taste. So, and this decoration aren't cheap. Then I got vintage from eBay. This is original from the 1960. It's a garland. They don't do like this anymore. So I'm very, very excited. And I just got some cheap ones. I think this is normal one, just 1 thread. Just like that. I got some from Wilko, that's from Poundland, that's from Wilko as well, and that I'm excited because you see it's gonna look really, really nice. It's not gonna be long enough to do the full tree, so I have to be a bit more creative with that. But yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sort out all these into colors. Sorry guys, I know the light will keep changing because now it's getting a bit darker. It's towards like midday, not midday, like mid-afternoon. So I'll try when I edit it not to make you jump with the lighting. But anyway, I think I'm pretty organized. I have a tab of red and gold, tab of greens, silver and white on the floor, red and gold in here, pure red. I mean, some of these decorations are absolutely gorgeous. I mean, some of these like collection pieces, this is like a Swarovski swan. Beautiful. Red, 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 silver. The thingy. I guess they go garlands. What do you call them? Oh, bead chain. Oh yeah, bead chain. Chain of beads, of course. Thingy. Right, so I'm not going to bother you on how to place the thingy on the tree because there is plenty of videos. The formula is that you start with a bigger on the bottom and on the back of the tree, and then as you go up, you just like put small sizes. But I'm not going to do like a time lapse because otherwise this video is going to be way too long. And also I don't have a stand. I mean, I'm on the floor now. So behind me there is a sofa. So there is no way I can put a camera to face the tree without me being in the middle, like in front of the tree. So you won't be able to see anything. So yeah, I'll show you once it's all nice and done. Okay, so all done guys. Apologies for the noises in the background, but Jamie's back at home. So not more peace and quiet. So it's all done. So put some decor here and just hovered as well. So nice and clean. So that's what the fireplace looks like. And that is the tree. and I put some we call it angel hair, but on Amazon it's called lametta, I think it's called. Very, very vintagey, old fashioned. I love it. So that's a star. Got a bit of squeaky floor when it's the carpet there. Then there's a big Santa. Gonna light this up now. So and that's the welcome light, and then some more decorations in there. And I wanted to show you, I'm just going to try to be very, very slow so don't give you a headache, what it looks like without the light on. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you. Put the cushions here on the sofa. So that is what will look like. It's pitch black, and that's the little light. Okay guys, so looking forward to see your pictures of your Christmas in your houses on my Facebook group. So just keep them coming, because I'm really love to see how you guys decorate them. Guys, from the 1st of December, so we will have a 24 days of freebies on the channel, so keep watching from tomorrow and you will have a brand new every day, a freebie a day for 24 days. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so I hope you like a big Christmassy thumbs up if you did. And until the next video, stay safe and well.